a father out looking for a husband for my daughter. I don't think I could have done any better. You know, it's just fate that they found each other. And they're a beautiful couple, and I wish them all the best.
Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world.
Megan and Justin, I hope we gave you guys the dream money that you wished for.
Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
My greatest strength and my biggest weakness. I fall for you all over again every single day.
A man who even after years together still gives me butterflies when he walks through the door. A man who could remind me every single day to dream bigger, to work harder, and to open my heart to all the possibilities of this life. You are my soulmate, my other half, the piece of my heart I never knew I was missing.
Most importantly, I promise to be your Superman.
It's horizon, oh, it's shining. It seems the daylight knows this is our time. All the world is ours to take.
I now present to you, for the very, very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Justin Bauer.
Let's party!
And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. But darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. But darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. Yeah, be with you tonight. I'll never fully know how deep your heart can go, or the beauty of your soul. Oh, where were you all along? Every other one was wrong, and I found where I belong. Oh, the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, be with you tonight. Yeah, be with you tonight. We're not in a rush, we're not gonna leave, but I can't get enough of what you do to me. We're not in a rush, we're not gonna leave, but I can't get enough of what you do to me. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. tonight.